Hello, my name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to make the best first birthday balloon column with no stand and no helium. First, let's make a balloon sizer. To do that, take a 10-inch diameter plate, trace it on a carton box, and cut out the shape. What you don't want to do is to trace it on the corner of the box. Try to trace it in the middle. Once you are done, pop out the middle piece. Now, because I traced it on the corner of the box, the side here is torn and needs to be taped back together. Second, lay out the colorful balloon pieces for the first birthday balloon column. Next, I'll show you how to make a quad. Using this handy electric balloon pump and the balloon sizer template you just made, inflate a balloon with air. Balloon diameter should match the balloon sizer template you just made. Let out gas if needed. Tie two balloons together to form a pair like so. Go ahead and form another pair. Now, to make a quad, take two pairs of balloons, insert one pair into another pair, and twist it twice to hold the balloons together. A quad should look like this. Then, go ahead and form quads for the rest of the balloons. For this first birthday balloon column, each quad is in the same colored balloon. If you decide not to use a balloon sizer, you can eyeball the size of the balloons as well. Here's how each same colored quad of balloons look like. Finally, let's assemble the balloon column. Fill up a balloon with water for the base to hold the balloon column upright. Tie a curling ribbon around it. Loop the curling ribbon around each balloon like so. Give it a gentle tug as you loop it around the balloon. Layer the next quad over it. Loop curling ribbons around the second and the first layer. Continue to layer one quad at a time and loop curling ribbons around the new layer and the layers under it. Give it a gentle tug and try to minimize the gaps between each layer. I really enjoy making balloon tower or balloon column. They are very easy to make and can be made few days ahead of the party. I usually make them 2 days before the party and leave it in my basement. Balloon tower instantly makes your party festive on a budget. Total amount of money I spent for this birthday column is under $10. Just remember that even if a balloon pops or size of the balloons are not uniform, the final output will still be beautiful. Little children love balloons anyways. Cut off the curling ribbon. For the balloon topper, use this golden number 1 foil balloon. See these hanging tabs? Tape over it with clear sellotape for a neater look. Tie curling ribbons around the neck of the balloon and loop it around your balloon tower. Voila! Here is your quick and easy tutorial on how to make the best first birthday balloon column tutorial with no stand and no helium. Under $10. If you found value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. I upload every Mondays. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay well. Be sure to watch my other quick and easy balloon tower tutorials. You will be glad that you did.